Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you South Goa vlog and I will cover cheapest stay, best beach in South Goa, or I can say full for information about South Goa beaches. Presently I am walking a beautiful beach which is comes under South Goa and it is situated close to Kankona railway station and it's around 3 km far from Kankona railway station and it is around 40 km far from Madgaon railway station. This beach have lot of palm trees in a one straight line and this beauty you can see only in this beach, and white sand of this beach is also making beauty of this beach. You can see shacks and beach huts here, and if you wanna stay here I will tell you ahead in this video. You also can stay here in cheapest rate, and presently I'm in Palolem beach of Goa, which is a famous beach of foreigner tourist, and foreigner tourist always like to come here. And if you wanna visit more places in South Goa, then very close to this beach you can go to Kankona Island, Galgibaga Beach, Katiago Wildlife Sanctuary, Kolam Beach and Rajbagh Beach. That beaches and that location is also close to this beach. If you will stay here, then you can go and easily go by scooty or bike, and you can easily get taxi also from here. Let's go ahead and show you beach shacks and beach stay and beach huts. As you are watching, these beach huts are very luxurious and you can stay here in only 500 to 600 rupees per day, and you can see the view with beautiful view. You can stay here, and if you wanna see more location, you can stay here and you can go to Galgibaga beach. And if you wanna see dolphin, you can take a boat and you can go to you can see dolphin also. And if you wanna see another beaches like Agonda, you also easily can go from here, but I will recommend to you, you must stay in these beach shacks. You will see good location, you will get very beautiful view if you will stay here. This beach especially is famous for calm waters, making it ideal for swimming and relaxing. That's why always Russian people and foreigner people always like to visit this beach. And this beach also have very clean water and green water with nice background. It is another reason to visit in this beach. Now it's afternoon time around 2 o'clock. That's why all foreigners, all tourists went to their shacks because it's very hot now. And if you want to do kayaking, you also can take kayak on rent here, and lot of people always do because this beach have very nice water for kayaking, or I can say very nice situation for kayaking in this beach. That's why you always see here lot of kayaks in the beach. This is a famous beach of South Goa and known as Palolem beach of South Goa. If you are making plan for your Goa trip, then you can include in your trip, and you must stay around 1 day here so that you can visit another attractions close to this beach like Kankona Island, Galgibaga Beach, Katigao Wildlife Sanctuary, Kolam Beach, Rajbagh Beach, Agonda Beach, Butterfly Island, Monkey Island. You also easily can go there from here, and that's why if you wanna
like to see nature and beautiful nature and beautiful background for photography and videography, then 100% you must visit here. And if you wanna see more videos of Goa, like famous places of Goa, visiting places of Goa, best places in Goa, tourist places in Goa, best places in South Goa, best places in Goa, so you can get many videos in my channel. Meet you next video. Till the time, bye bye. Thank you for watching.